Hello, I'm David and this is my app. I'm going to do a few test cases. So I am using Zump. Here are the two players' names entered, and if we press start, you get brought to this page. You can see the same names are on the starting field now, but the game has not started yet. If you press the reset button, it basically generates the game on the left hand side, and if you roll the dice, you can see that the players are moving. Here we have encountered a black hole, so an alert pops up, and the players get transported to the end of the exit of the hole, and also you can actually see the holes now displayed on the field. So here's the leaderboard button. You can bring this up. Here's a database that is linked to it. You can see that these are the same values, and if you play further along, you can now you can see Angela is on 34 now, and she is going to stay there on the next roll. So the game is only won if you land exactly on the final square, and now Angela has won. And if you bring up the leaderboard now, since the game is over now, the values have been refreshed from the database. So if you refresh this page now, you can see the new values, and you can see that these are the same values, so it got updated. Now, one more thing, if you refresh the page, you can see that the values stay there. These are even if you leave the page. So these are through session variables, and I think that's all. Thank you.